How to restore loose Airsled hose ends. Airsled hoses have a soft cupped end that makes a secure connection with the blower nozzle and T-connector. Using only your hand strength and a twisting motion will produce a snug seal. If the soft cut fitting ever becomes loose, you can use electrical tape or a hose clamp to restore the seal. Applying tape to the T-connector or blower nozzle will enlarge their diameter, which will promote a more snug and secure connection. Other tape such as duct tape is also suitable. A hose clamp over the soft cup can also be used to tighten a loose connection. A hose clamp can also be used at the T-connection fitting. Learn more at airsled.com.